IT administrators have the ability to manage Vivi devices in bulk, eliminating the need to configure each device separately. This includes the ability to create new rooms and allocate Vivi devices to them via a CSV file. For our example here, we will be assigning several Vivi devices into new rooms. In Vivi Central, select Rooms under Organization. Select Bulk Assign in the upper right corner. Either drag and drop the CSV file with the applicable room details, or choose a file to upload. It is important to use a specific file format for Bulk Assign to work. There is a sample CSV format available on this screen that can be downloaded and filled out accordingly if you do not already have a version of the form to upload. In the CSV file, you will need to enter the MAC addresses of the Vivi devices you are allocating into your organization, unique room names for each Vivi device to be allocated into, the location, such as school or building, the room is located. Leave this blank if you do not wish to use locations. Enter any sublocations in order of hierarchy if needed. Once the CSV file is uploaded, select Submit. Vivi will scan for any issues with the file. If there are issues, an error message will appear with relevant context. If there are no issues, a message will appear confirming the success of the assignment. The new additions will now be listed under Rooms.